Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am J Baby for all who are new. I'm trying to figure out, y'all, I have 3 wigs that I got from Samsbeauty, and I'm trying to figure out which one I want to review for you guys. Girl, decisions. I don't know if I want long. This one is a part, and this one is just a part in the middle with it's shorter. Maybe I'll probably get the shorter one out. And then I have another one, really deep part, which is, it's going to take a lot of work, girl. I don't feel like it. So, I think I'm going to review this wig right here, the Butta Lace wig. This one is Sensational Butta Lace Human Hair Premium Fiber Blend. It's from the makers of What Lace, y'all. And it's virtually HD lace, and it's supposed to be undetectable. The name of this one is, it just says Deep Wave 20 inch. And it's in a number 1. This is what it looks like. So, it says, see the difference on the back. So, I'm just going to try this one today. Comes like this, y'all. And, that's one thing. I love how they come packaging. I'm not going to do a full video on it, like a full install. I don't think so. I don't think I probably will. But, I just basically want you guys to see what it looks like. So, on the inside of here, they have on here different colors that she comes in. And where's the curling iron safe? I don't see that yet. I hope you guys see it. I don't see it yet. Anyway. It says Human Hair and Premium Fiber Blend. Full body movement. Virtually undetectable HD. Lace blends with most skin tones. Ear to ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand tied parting area. Pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline and natural and full maximum density. And they have available colors. Honey, if they have it on here, I don't see it. But anyway, this is what she looks like right here. And she's 20 inches. She's gorgeous. I like her a lot. So, a little small comb right there. A small one right there. As well as a bigger one in the back. And this is the parting space that you get right here. It's basically in the middle. Okay, so let me see. Where's the stock card? Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, so the stock card says she's 20 inches. The way she has it is with, she have one back there and one here. It's pretty full, y'all. It's pretty full, but it's really cute. I like the baby hairs. What's that? That's a middle part, so let's see. Actually, you know what? It says middle, but I have so much lace on this side. So is it middle? I don't know if that's middle, honey. Because it's like, you know, like that. You see? The ear right there. And then the ear right there. So, is that a side parting? This is not a side parting that she had right here. No. She has a middle part. So, okay. So, I guess if I put it in the middle, then if you see right here, then the lace is here and this is here. And that's the only part. And so, what is going on? Okay. And the only space that you have to part it is where? Is this right here. Let me see. So, even if I was to put this here, I still can't part it. So, I'm going to have to go with a side part. I'm not mad at it though, you know, like that. I'm not mad at it like that, but if I did want a middle part, I guess I wouldn't be able to get it. So you would have to wear it like this. Maybe it's just this one, y'all, because it is supposed to be middle. I mean, you know, middle part. So I'm not mad at it. I do like some wigs to be side parting, but I would like it to be for me to decide, okay? But this is very pretty. The curls is very fluffy and very flowy. It looks like something this looks like a wig that you can wear and just, it's like a kinky type, you know, pattern natural. But this is one that I can that I see me wearing and it wouldn't get on my nerves. You know how some wigs you bend down and everything and get on your nerves? Now for me, I like my parting to be on this side, but being it is on this side, it's okay. So let me gather everything, and it's going to be an easy fix, y'all. Actually, I'm looking at it's going to be an easy fix. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot because I have wigs, a lot of wigs that I have to review, so I'm not going to be tacking them all the way down to my head. I want you guys to know that. So I'm going to be using the Boho Liquid Gold, y'all, to be able to put this hair down with, because I can't have this all over the place and then doing other wigs, and then I gotta, I gotta watch my edges, y'all. I gotta take care of my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead on and my clips at. Let me see. Oh, I need to wipe my forehead as well. All right, y'all. So I done cut the lace from around it, and I don't have it down at all, but it can be put down. And I decided that it's not going to be like moving around anywhere, so I'm not going to use my Boho Liquid Gold. Like I told y'all, I already have a lot more wigs that I do have to do, but what I am going to do is put the baby hairs down. This wig is really cute though. It's really cute. I would say it's straight out the box. Now some of the baby hairs I cut from right there. I don't want all of that. I just want the baby hairs that's right here. I just knew this was going to be a side part, y'all. I mean, a middle part. Like, kind of messed me up, because that's what I was looking for. By being short, I wanted it to be that middle part. So, I'm going to go ahead. Let's see. I have this one. Got to be black, and I have the yellow. Usually the yellow sometimes give me like a cast. It usually give me like a cast. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one right here. I'm not going to put the wig down, like I said, y'all, because I have other wigs I have to review, and I don't want all that glue all over my forehead. And actually, I didn't even wipe my forehead, y'all, from the makeup either. So, girl. I'm not going to use the straightening comb either, because if you can see the texture of the hair, it will look too shiny up here and straight, and then like kinky at the bottom. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it in its natural state. But if you can see, the HD lace to it is really cute. This wig, I would say, is just a wig that I would just slide on, cut the lace, slide it on, and keep it moving. Keep it bopping, baby. Keep it bopping. That's what this would be for me. But I am going to wipe right there. Yeah. And this will be a look for me. Definitely. I'm not going to do no curl now because of the combs. I'm not going to, take... Oh, so I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I am back. And I wanted to go and slip on something. That way I can come back to you guys and let you know what she looked like when you put some clothes on. She is just so beautiful. She is beautiful. She is really... The length, I like the length a lot. And the curls is like really tight, really uniformed. I love it. And I would not pluck her out. I wouldn't pluck her out, y'all. I wouldn't even get a comb and brush out. If you do, she's going to get huge. Okay, so she's beautiful. She's, I wouldn't say this is an everyday wig. This is a wig if you want to go out. This is a wig if you just, you want to go to brunch. If you want to go on a dinner date or whatever. Put her on, take her off. Keep her safe, honey. You know what I'm saying? She's gorgeous. So let me turn around in the back. That way you guys can see. I hope she's right. This is what she looks like in the back. She feels like kinky, like a kinky type of curl to her. This is what she seems like to me. So this is her, and like I said, this is the butter lace. This is Sensational butter lace from the makers of the What Lace. And this is the Deep Wave 20-inch, and it's in a number 1, the color. Virtually HD lace, undetectable. This is what she looks like close up. Gorgeous. She is just so gorgeous. I love this wig, honey, for me. And I'm hoping you guys can be able to really see her. She's beautiful. She's sexy, really sexy. The normal lace, the butter lace. The normal lace, butter lace. So I'll let you know what's what. I didn't even see the Curl and Iron Safe, y'all. Maybe I'm not looking at it right or something. But I have another wig that I am going to be reviewing. So I'm just going to take her off. And I'm going to start on the other wig, y'all. Because I have to get these wigs out here, honey. I have like, what? 3 weeks to get them out. 3 wigs, 1 a week. But I'm going to try to get them out sooner than that for you guys, okay? That way that you can get your hands on. This wig right here is really beautiful. Y'all, really beautiful. I can see myself getting this in like in another color because this is nothing. I mean, if you've been in there, it's nothing in your face. It's nothing to, you know, it's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. So, y'all already know I'm going to have some links down below. That way you can go ahead on and check the website from Sam's Beauty. This is samsbeauty.com. And this is synthetic, y'all. This is not human. Like I said, it was a blend. So this is synthetic. Let me get up in here. I didn't put it down like I said, but if you trying to do something with this here, you're going to have a lot of plucking you're going to have to do. So basically, this is the area that I'm looking at because this is the lace right here. And the parting is nice. I don't want to put nothing in here, no concealer. I don't want to mess her up. I just want to, you know, just have her just look really cute and fluffy. Okay, y'all. So in the description box, I will have the links to samsbeauty.com. That way you can go on there and you can look for yourself to see what you want. They even have crochet braid hair. They have a lot of stuff, a lot of wigs, short wigs, longer wigs, you know what I'm saying? They have things like that. That way if you want to get your hands on them, you can. All right, so y'all already know, y'all already know, okay? Be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.